In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing and installation of Atomberg Renesa Smart Plus ceiling fan. I bought this fan from Amazon. It costed me around 5,500. If you want this fan, I will give you the link in the description box. Please do check that. The box of Renesa Smart Plus looks like this. In this model, there are 3 colors. I have ordered golden oak wood color. So without wasting any time, let's open the box. For the installation of this fan, you need to hire a local electrician or you can use urban company. On opening the box, you will find the user manual. Here is a user manual on how to use this Atomberg Bldc fan. Here is the Bldc fan motor, and here are the cups. And here is a remote, and here is a rod to hang the fan. And also you will get batteries for the remote, and also you will get the nut and bolt. These are the contents. This smart fan works with Alexa and Google, and also you can use the Atomberg app to control this fan. This video is going to be more than 8 minutes long. If you like this video, please do like, share and comment below. Thank you.